So, you're using AWeber, and now you're stuck wondering, how do you remove unsubscribers? It's frustrating when inactive emails clutter your list, hurt your deliverability, and even cost you money. But don't worry, I'll show you exactly how to clean up your AWeber list step by step. Plus, stick around, because at the end, I'll share an exclusive extended free trial to a much better alternative that makes email management way easier. Alright, let's get into it. First, log into your AWeber account. Head over to your Subscribers tab, then select Manage Subscribers. From here, you'll see a list of all your contacts, including those who have unsubscribed. Next thing, filter out unsubscribers. Click the search option, select Status, and choose Unsubscribed All. Now, AWeber will only show the contacts that are no longer engaging with your emails. The fourth thing, removing them. AWeber doesn't automatically delete unsubscribers, so you have to do it manually. Select all the filtered contacts, then hit Actions, and choose Delete. Confirm, and they're gone from your list. One issue though, AWeber doesn't give you bulk automation for removing unsubscribers. You have to manually check and delete them every time, which is pretty annoying if you're dealing with a large list. Other email marketing tools handle this better by offering automatic list cleaning to remove inactive contacts without any extra work. Now, if you're looking for an easier way to manage your email list and avoid manual cleanup, there's a much better alternative. I've linked an exclusive extended free trial to the best email marketing platform for managing subscribers effortlessly. Plus, I've added some other great alternatives that also have free trials, so you can find the perfect fit for your business. Just check the first link in the description to get started.